You never have to start from a blank page. Let me show you templates. This is the template library. Over 100 ready-made jobs for the agent. Dashboards, audits, automations, full client decks. Let's take them one by one. Monitor. Live dashboards that watch your numbers for you. Search traffic, paid ads, products, even the whole agency in one screen. Open one, and the preview is the real thing. Scroll it. Every block you see here gets filled with your live numbers. One click on Use Template and this becomes yours in Reports. Create. The agent makes things for you. Ad creatives, Google copy, whole campaigns from scratch, even your very first one. Optimize. It finds the problems. Wasted spend, weak keywords, tracking gaps. And every card is one click. Take this one. Find Google Ads waste. That's it! The whole job lands on the agent, and it's already digging through your campaigns. Close it and keep browsing. Automate. These run on their own. Weekly reports, budget checks, anomaly alerts. Pick one, and it becomes a scheduled task. And report. This is where the decks live. 9 full client decks built from your data. Open one. This preview is the exact deck you would get. Scroll through it. Cover, results, trends, the plan. A whole client story slide by slide. And one button hands it to the agent. Build with Agent. It pulls your real numbers and writes every slide itself. It takes a couple of minutes, so close the panel and let it work. And these 9 are just examples. Ask for any deck you want. Your structure, your style, your branding, and the agent designs it from scratch. Browse the library once, and the agent already knows what to do.